All right, wanted to unbox this awesome thing I got from Amazon. You guys might have seen it on TikTok or YouTube Shorts or even Instagram. This is a portable screen that you can use while you're doing selfies or videos of yourself vlogging using your iPhone. That way you can still use your rear cameras because your rear cameras qualities are a lot better. So wanted to give it a try. Bought this for under $20. I will try to put my affiliate link down below for this one. If this one's sold out, I'll try to put one close to the price range, but I'll see what I can do. Got this one. Didn't take too long to get it. The instructions, they do have English instructions as well. The only problem I encountered is setting it up with Android system. I did read some of the comments. A lot of people had the same kind of complications with setting up with Android, but I have an iPhone, so it ended up setting up just fine with iPhone. All right, comes with a charging cable, which was a very nice touch, and it is magnetic, so definitely doesn't take up too much room. It's not very big and bulky. It's about 4 inches, and there's the magnetic on the back. I did take off the tape or the protector on the back, but you really don't have to. It still grips it pretty good. This is a regular case. Now, if you have an iPhone official case that has the magnetic backing support, it does hold it a lot stronger. So if you have one of those ones that have the design on the back just as well as this one, it holds it pretty good. You know what I'm saying? So it is a nice touch. It is pretty strong. There I go, just seeing how hard it is to pull the magnet off. Was trying to shake it pretty good. It did swing a little bit, so who knows how it'll hold up with like a gimbal or whatnot, but it it does hold on there pretty good. I am shaking it pretty good, so just keep that in mind. Hopefully it won't drop. The magnetic is pretty strong, but as you can see, it doesn't take much to move it. All right, now getting it set up, you do have three buttons. There's the power button on the side, and as well as where you charge it at. It has where you can change the size of the screen. It also has the button to where you can capture it. Now, if you go on Bluetooth, you'll be able to do it that way. I ended up not hooking it up through Bluetooth. Ended up just hooking it up through the Wi-Fi. Of course, it is in a different language. The one button flips it from one side to another. So if the screen is upside down, just push that button and it will fix it right up. So you want to turn on your Wi-Fi and look for where it says the screen X and those numbers right there. And then you want to put the password in, which is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So hit 8 and join, and it will join. And then you're going to be able to mirror your screen. Doing a quick little example right here. Hit that screen. There, see, there's a screen X right there. So go to screen mirroring. You want to hit that, and it's just going to basically mirror it to this little screen, which I think is awesome. There it goes right there. It's not a touch screen or not like that, so you're not able to use that screen and just move your finger through it and it won't go on your phone. It doesn't work like that. It's just like a portable screen. So all it's doing is the mirroring effect. Whatever you do on your phone, it will try to mirror it. There I go, unlocking it. And there is a slight delay. I'll go through some things. It's not crazy, but just when you're recording yourself and vlogging, just remember there is a delay. You know what I'm saying? But it does look amazing. Quality of the screen is not, I want to say, is not as polished as when you're looking through your phone, but when you're recording yourself, it's just a screen so you're able to see yourself when you're vlogging with your, there I go upside down. Of course, you push the one button, it will flip you around. There you go. So all you gotta do is push the button and it will flip you around. You know what I'm saying? But the quality is just to give you like, to let you know that you're capturing yourself. You don't want to be using your rear camera and not know if you're actually recording your face or recording something else or cutting off your head or whatnot. So it gives you like a good way to basically see yourself. You know what I'm saying? So I think it is an amazing deal for only less than $20. I know a lot of people are starting to use this. I wanted to start doing more vlogging type videos because, you know, opening up packs is getting harder and harder as it is getting rough out there for Pokemon collectors. So hopefully you guys enjoy the vlog type cameras that or videos that I will be putting out soon. Let me know what you guys think. Wanted to get this and wanted to share it with you guys. Maybe you guys are thinking about vlogging or whatnot. It does give you like a almost like if I'm using my ZV-1 that has a flip out screen. So it gives you like a flip out screen option more or less. But it gives you the ability to use your rear cameras, which is definitely higher quality than the front facing one. I think it looks amazing. Can't wait to use this out in the field. Let me know if you guys want me to give you updates on how it lasts and how durable it is over the time frame. Let me know if you guys end up using my code down below. My link, I should say, helps out the channel in the long run. If you guys use our affiliate, definitely helps us out. But no pressure. You know what I mean? You guys can look this up on eBay, TikTok Shop, Amazon. They're selling everywhere. So just do your research, pick what you guys want. I wanted to go the cheaper route, so this is one of the cheaper ones I was able to find. And here I am showing you guys the delay. I mean, it's not that much of an inconvenience with the delay. It's less than seconds. So it is amazing to give you like a good reference point of where you're recording or what you can see while you're recording yourself. So I think it's amazing. Hopefully out in the field I'll be able to put it to more tests and durability tests. Let me know if you guys want a follow-up video. Here I am just going through different stores and seeing how the delay's working, seeing if it speeds up over time, but the delay's there. You know what I'm saying? Beautiful little screen mirroring system. Uh, you could probably even use it as putting on YouTube and just giving the small screen to one of your kids, or watching StephAndMannie on there and giving the little screen to a family member. But definitely good for recording yourself and having peace of mind that you're capturing what you're intending on capturing when you're looking through your rear cameras. So I think it's an amazing thing. Let me know if you guys enjoy this video and enjoy this type of content. We do got a lot of future videos planned. Hopefully you guys will join us on this amazing journey, trying to do other things for content because Pokemon is getting rough. Hopefully you guys will support us. See you guys on the next one, all right? Thank you guys again. Have a good one.